up guys? Just had an idea to do a quick video on the main differences between the Nike Air Max Essential, which is this pair, and the Nike Air Max or 95 Ultra Light. So these are both Air Max 95s. This is the model that actually came out, and this is like a more recent model. So this is not an original model, but it's just Nike edited these because this is a bulky shoe to make it a bit more lighter, you know, a bit different. So with this, you can see the whole upper is like, it's a one piece. It's not really got any stitching or anything to do with it. And then also the sole, if you can see the soles, let me compare the two soles. They are very similar, but this one is like lighter. So they've changed it. If you want to see the bottom, they've changed it to make it more lightweight. So I think this will be easier to run in. These are a pain to run in, but I wouldn't recommend to run in any of them. So as you can see, they're still quite similar, but they're made quite lighter. Also on these, it's got a lot of stitching, a lot of leather layers. This is a one layer, a one piece, and also this is stitched in. The tick is stitched in. This is more like a stuck on. The back is quite similar, but it's not similar at the same time. As you can see, the Nike Air goes right to the top. Here Nike Air is a bit bottom. It's got a bit of space there. As this is like more of a one big piece. I think they did this to save not save, but like make it lighter, because you have to know it's all about making the shoe lighter. With this one, they both say Air Max. I prefer this one, the classic. This Air Max, it just looks a bit boring. Laces, they both feature reflective laces, which I really like. Well, I hope these are reflective. I haven't seen them with the flash one. I know these are reflective on these ones because that's what the ultralight does. Then on this side, same sort of thing. What they've done is, you know, it's the same thing all around really. Lots of layers, lots of panels overlapping and stitched in, which makes them quite heavy, quite bulky. And then with this one, it's not got any layers, it's just a one with a bit of, if you look closely, it's just like shadowing and stuff, which makes it look like a lot of layers. It could be a few layers, but it's really lightweight material. And then also on the front, it's a one layer, which is very similar to this on top. Or you can see it's the same thing. And then also similar, what I've noticed is on Essentials they don't have the Nike ticks there, but then on the Ultralights they have Nike ticks there. It's so funny how a shoe can be so similar but so different at the same time. But there you go guys, just a quick review of the different features, explaining the differences on the trainers. I really like both pairs actually. I don't know which pair I would choose over the other, but I'm really happy with them, and I might start Nike IDing some, seeing as it is the anniversary of the 95s. And yeah, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe guys. Take care.